The FEPPO snow cone machine and smoothie blender 2-in-1 is a kitchen wizard. It creates delicious frozen treats. This machine is a true multitasker. It handles both snow cones and smoothies with ease. Imagine hot summer days. This machine is your cool oasis. It offers a refreshing escape. FEPPO, Fast Frozen Drink and Slushie Maker, truly lives up to its name. Furthermore, it's perfect for parties. It also works for everyday family fun. Its compact design fits easily. It doesn't take up much counter space. Therefore, storage is simple. This makes it a convenient appliance. Its powerful motor is impressive. It spins at 22,000 RPM. This ensures smooth results every time. The stainless steel blade is sharp. It shaves ice finely. It blends ingredients perfectly. You can make healthy frozen drinks. Or you can enjoy sweet slushies. The possibilities are endless. Additionally, a recipe book is included. It guides you to tasty creations. So, even beginners can make great drinks. This machine is a game changer. It transforms ordinary ice. It makes it into delightful frosty treats. Indeed, this is a versatile tool. It offers cool relief. This makes it a kitchen essential. In conclusion, the FEPPO snow cone machine and smoothie blender 2-in-1 is a fantastic buy. It's built for durability. It promises lasting performance. You get 2 appliances in one. This saves money and space. Hence, it's a smart investment. FEPPO, Fast Frozen Drink and Slushie Maker, delivers on its promise. It makes frozen drinks quickly. It makes them effortlessly. Ultimately, it brings joy. It adds fun to any gathering. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Most parts are detachable. They are easy to wash. This machine is highly recommended. It's perfect for home use. It's great for parties. It's ideal for summer. Therefore, consider adding this to your kitchen. It's a sweet way to beat the heat. And it's a great value. FEPPO, Fast Frozen Drink and Slushie Maker, is a summer essential. Pros: perfect ice shaving, easy to use, easy to clean, uses cube ice, comes with blending cup. Kids can use with supervision, makes fast shaved ice, compact size, versatile for slushies and juices, includes recipe book. Great for homemade frozen treats, saves money on drinks, awesome for smoothie bar. Cons: fell apart after one use, seals broken or ground up, no safety or locking feature, kids might get injured, could use a slightly larger cup. Features: snow cone machine, smoothie blender 2-in-1 functionality, slushie machine, shaved ice maker, 22,000 RPM motor, stainless steel blade, includes recipes, good for home use, great for parties. The FEPPO 2-in-1 machine is a powerful helper for making frozen treats at home. It can quickly make snow cones, slushies, and shaved ice, and also works as a smoothie blender. It has a strong motor and a stainless steel blade for smooth results. And it even comes with recipes. This machine is perfect for everyday use in your kitchen or for parties during the summer. The FEPPO snow cone machine and smoothie blender is a compact and versatile 2-in-1 appliance, perfect for making frozen treats at home. It shaves ice quickly and is easy to use and clean, even for kids with supervision. It uses regular ice cubes and comes with a blending cup and recipe book, making it great for smoothies, slushies, and other homemade drinks, which can save you money. However, some users have reported issues with the seals breaking and the machine falling apart after just one use, raising concerns about its durability and safety due to a lack of safety or locking features. The blending cup could also be a bit larger.